Hello and welcome to the OpenAir Training Academy. In this video we're going to be reviewing how booking requests are made. So the scenario that you're going to see is a project manager needs to staff someone on a project, and they are going to search for either the appropriate person by name or search for a person with a specific skill set, make that booking request, and then submit it for approval by both operations as well as the practice lead for that skill set. Okay, so basically to get started, you go to the resources module, and in that module you see several drop-down menus that are available. Booking requests is the main one in the middle that we're going to be working with today. So you go to the plus sign, which you've learned by now is the main way you add anything new in OpenAir. So you click on the green plus sign at the top left of the screen, and that gives you options to either select, create a new booking request or a new booking, which we're not going to review in this video. This will be strictly creating booking requests. So I can hit the new, and that brings me to the main menu for adding the information on the booking request. I can either add a booking request for a specific team member by name, and in that drop-down box I've got choices of all the resources in MentorMate, or down at the bottom I can pick generic resources based on a certain skill or practice area. So that's what I'm going to do in this situation. I'm going to pick the skill set, a .NET developer, and then the project that I'm staffing the person for, the project that I need the resource staffed on. And then I've got the ability to select the start date and end date for the staffing of that project. So I'm going to select the start date and end date, and then I can also select either the percentage of time for that person to be staffed, 100%, or I can say how many hours I want them to be staffed during that time frame, depending on the project estimate that I'm working on. So in this case, I'm just going to say 100%. Then down below a little bit further, I can select the priority of this booking request. Is this a high urgent request that must be serviced immediately? Is it medium, or is it low? So I can select what's ever appropriate there. And then for the level of the resource that I need, I have got the option of selecting a level 5 all the way down to a level 1 resource. And when the system searches, it will only look for people with that level and those skill sets. I'm going to include a couple of additional skills. And then down at the bottom, I hit save and submit. And now that booking request has been created, and a workflow is initiated where the booking request will be sent to the practice manager for his or her review of the appropriate skill set or person that's being requested. In the subsequent videos, we will review how booking requests are approved. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.